Hi, everyone. So, as promised, here we are. This is the aftermath of the trade from Friday. Today is Sunday, so you guys know the market will be opening tonight, basically. I want to say it's 5 p.m., right? I never kind of remember because I don't look on a Sunday. But yeah, so the market will be open, but from the analysis that I gave you guys on Friday, um, off the basis of me using breaker structure, also my strat, and just knowing and seeing where key points where price has been rejecting and stuff like that. Um, yeah, seems to say that my analysis was great and that sell actually happened. So this is the aftermath of that. I didn't want to come back on here and show you guys the aftermath because I know some people are like going to be like, hey, you started the analysis, but you didn't finish it with how the trade would go afterwards. But like I said, it was going to be some rejection. Once you see price, so this is, take notes as you see fit. Where I find my errors with trading in the past was not waiting for support and resistance, meaning I was not waiting for price to start to reject. I wasn't waiting for the resistance. I would just automatically jump in. And then sometimes price would go up a little more, and I'm like, dang, by the time my account is blown, and then it would go down to support where I needed it to go. Or sometimes it would be at support rejected, and I wouldn't wait for that resistance. And so like it would just be like those are valid points for me to make on why a lot of my trades did fail in the past. Now I do wait for that. I do check my analysis. I think twice. I look over to the left for previous information before I revert back to the right on what trade I'm in right now. Um, if you see fit for, hold on, everybody's contacting me today. If you see fit for you to just have a point system where you go 50 points, 100 points, 200, wherever you see fit, or if you just want to go your entire analysis and just go, it's going to go. Whatever works for you works for you. Okay. But basically, like I said, break of structure, the same thing happened with this for this buy. As we all know, you waited and waited and waited, and then NYC, I knew that this was London still. Remember, I'm on an hourly time frame, so this is London still. This is NYC within this 8 a.m. What did I see from the previous information to let me know that NYC might not go down as much as some would suspect without me even having my analysis on, right? Or my strat on. It was the fact that I looked and I seen that London literally bought and sold itself, bought and sold itself, bought and sold itself until it reached 7 a.m. And then I seen where the highest tip, which was like right here for 1 a.m., 2 a.m. And I seen that NYC actually came down that much, grabbed it, and decided to go up, go back up. So me seeing stuff like that lets me know like, we could possibly be looking at a buy. And then this right here, this is the highest point that NY that US30 has been in its historical nature. Like this is history that was made. We keep seeing history with these stocks. Okay. But yeah, so this is its history high. And therefore, once I start seeing a lot of rejection, it was this candle right here. This you could sell doji, I don't know, a hammer, upside down hammer. Whatever you want to call it, okay? Whatever works for you. But seeing that upside down, seeing that it was more on the bearish side than bull. All right, what patterns come with those type of things? If it's trending from the up, what is it? Is it a morning or evening star? If it's trending from the bottom, what is it? No, yeah. If it's trending from the top, is it a morning or evening star? If it's trending from the bottom, is it a morning or evening star? You have to ask yourself that. And so hopefully you know those patterns by now. Hint hint. But anyway, so yeah. So we're seeing that, and then you automatically know that you have your trend right here because you had patterns that were forming. And we're just gonna delete this because I think I had that up. Oh, excuse me, to necessarily show people what I was looking at. But yeah, this is going to be your first TP stop if you want to wait for the rejection, get in and get out. And then again, this is adjacent with this one. So this actually goes with this one. And this is actually your next TP stop if you want to get in and get out. And that does align with my fibs. So that's pretty much it. Just wanted to come back and show you guys the aftermath of that trade. Hope everyone took it. Hope you have had a great, amazing weekend, as have I. And yeah, happy trading. Have a great week, month or so, because it's going to be a pretty little minute before I post another video on YouTube, if I do that anytime soon. Everyone's texting me and calling. I don't know why. But yeah, so don't look out for a video anytime soon, but make sure your notifications are on, because when I do post, I do post. And sometimes I post and I'll listen to the video and I'll go, I want to remove it. So just be on the lookout for that. Anyways, that is it. You guys be safe. Continue to have a great weekend and happy trading.